Hello everyone, this is Alice from Polinovel. In today's video, we will introduce our LUEC series lithium batteries. Let's take a closer look at our lithium battery model. This battery is equipped with high-quality EVE brand lithium iron phosphate cells, with 16 pieces connected in series by using latest welding technology for maximum long-term performance. The intelligent BMS supports both RS-485 and CAN communication, making it highly protectable with various brand inverters, such as Lithium, Growatt, and Goodwill. Okay, next moving to the front panel of the battery. You will notice two positive and negative terminals for easy parallel connections. And the panel also features a power on and off button and an L switch, an LCD screen that displays the battery's information. The RS-485 port and CAN port are for communication with the inverter, as well as an RS-232 port to connect to an upper computer and check the battery's working information. These two RS-485 ports are for parallel battery pack communication. And there is a DIP switch to set the address to identify different batteries. Our 5 kWh lithium battery is our most popular model, and we also offer 7 kW and 10 kW lithium battery model. Each model allows for up to 15 units in parallel for capacity expansion. They are perfect for home solar energy storage systems and telecom stations. Now let's delve into the production process of our LEC multi-batteries. Okay, thank you for watching our today's video. If you have any question about our LEC multi-batteries, welcome to visit our website or contact us at sell@polinovel.com. Thanks.